sat with a great set of founders like Aditya Bagri from Bagri's Group and the founder of Equinox Labs, and having so many people and discuss common issues and common things, that is like a great experience, and especially people with different kinds of experiences. So like one panelist, Mr. Aditya Bagri, he was from a like a 50-year-old experience. Like he has been running this brand in India for so long, versus us, like we are just 5-year-old company. So exchanging thoughts like new age versus experience, and similarly sitting with Equinox Labs and Tanul. So it was a great experience overall, exchanging notes with fellow people. No, to be very honest, this is my first visit to CMPL Expo, and it happened through a panel discussion. So I think they're already doing a lot in terms of bridging the gap, and I heard that Mumbai has been doing it for last 5 years. This is the second one, so I hope in the coming years the event will be bigger and a lot of more people will attend it. No, I think if we look at China, right, so that is like the manufacturing hub, and the kind of events they have, like the last event was in Guangzhou, I'm forgetting the name, but everybody from like all the Indian brand owners, they've been wanting to attend that event. So why not CMPL can be the same thing within India, and maybe inviting manufacturers overseas as well, right, from other countries. So a long way to go, and especially the current situation in India. India is becoming a manufacturing hub. The government is already kind of supporting all of these activities. So I think there is a really bright future for CMPL and India. I think I don't know about success, like whether it has happened or not. But what keeps me going is having this passion. Like I come from a farmer family background, so we want to do value addition in the rural areas. So we work with a lot of micro entrepreneurs. So that is the actual reason why we started Anveshan, and that keeps me going. Like keep innovating, keep moving ahead, because as an entrepreneur there will be a lot of challenges on the way. There will be a lot more lows than highs, but the passion inside me keeps me going. Insightful.